Hello everyone. So I'm going to tell you about global warming. But first, before we study about global warming, we need to know what is weather and climate. Weather. Weather is the mix of events that happen each day in our atmosphere. Weather is different in different parts of the world and changes over minutes, hours, days, and weeks. Most weather happen in troposphere, the part of Earth's atmosphere that is closest to the ground. What is climate? Climate is the average weather in a given area over a longer period of time. A description of a climate includes information on such as the average temperature in different seasons, rainfall, and sunshine. This is some gases on Earth. This with the right amount on our air. So, what is global warming? Global warming is the phenomenon of increasing average air temperature near the surface of Earth. How are climate, ozone, and temperature relate? So, scientists at NASA have determined that ozone and climate affect each other. According to Bill Stockwell of NASA, temperature, humidity, winds, and the presence of other chemicals in the atmosphere influence ozone formation on the presence of ozone in turn affects those atmospheric constituents. Ozone influences climate through temperature. The more ozone that is in a given region of air, the more heat it retains. Ozone generates heat in the stratosphere in two ways. First, it absorbs the sun UV radiation, and the second one, it absorbs the longer infrared radiation that is reflected up from the lower atmosphere, or we call it as the troposphere. So this is the greenhouse effect. The greenhouse effect, as you can see on the picture, the sun shining the earth, some of the solar radiation is observed by the earth surface and warm the surface, but some of them was reflected by the earth and the atmosphere. Some of the infrared radiation passes through the atmosphere, but most of them are absorbed and re-emitted in all directions by greenhouse gas molecules and clouds. The effect of this is to warm the Earth's surface and the lower atmosphere. As you can see in the picture, the infrared radiation is emitted from the Earth's surface. So, what causes global warming? First is combustion of vehicle fuels. Uh, with the we actually on our earth we already have the right amount of carbon dioxide, but with the vehicle fuels combustion, the carbon dioxide gases had increases. The second one is the use of CFC producing equipment, and the third one is the forest burning. The impact of global warming. What is the impact of global warming? These are the impacts. First, the big thaw. What is the big thaw? The big thaw is the Arctic permafrost contain twice as much carbon as the atmosphere. But as global temperature rise, the frozen ground is melting fast and releasing greenhouse gases. The second one is rising seas. With the changing of climate, seawater expand and ice over land to melt, both of which can cause a rise in sea level. Oceans become warm due to the increasing global temperature, and seawater expand because of the melting ice. Changing in ocean water, and then changing in weather pattern. Uh, some because of the global warming, some of the region have so much rain, but some of other region has a less rain. Changing in living things. changing in living things. This happened because of the disaster that often happen in the earth because of the climate changes, um, such as like cat doesn't eat chicken anymore, but it also can eat grass and rice. That's that was changing in living things mean. And then social impact. Social impact happened because of the disaster too, such as a flood that caused human to move around to go far away from the flood. Solution of global warming. First, changing energy use patterns. There are a lot of things that we can do to prevent global warming or to decrease the number of global warming, like using solar panel. Solar panel is one of the things changing energy use patterns because it can absorb the sunlight and the heat and change it into energy. Second one is changing pattern of energy changes. When the solar panel changes the heat to energy, the energy can be used to use electricity in the house. And then transportation fuels. We can change transportation fuels using a biofuels or a friendly environment fuels. And then changing land use patterns mean you can do such a thing like make a sustainable house. It will help you to decrease the number of global warming. That's all from me. Thank you for your attention. See you.